Hi friends! Welcome to Color Buddies. Let's draw something super fun together. Can you guess what it will be? Let's begin with a big round head and two giant eyes looking all around. Here's a clue. This dinosaur had a super long neck and loved munching on leaves. Now we draw its long neck and its strong back with bumpy plates. Keep going. Did you know? Brontosaurus means thunder lizard because its steps were so heavy. Let's add the 4 legs. The tail swinging behind. And the happy little smile. Awesome job! We just finished drawing a gentle giant Brontosaurus. Look at that long neck and happy face. It looks like it wants to nibble leaves and give hugs at the same time. Let's color our Brontosaurus. What color should we use for its big body? Clue: it's the color of grass and leaves. Is it blue, green, or purple? Yes, green! That's perfect! So fresh and friendly. Now let's color the spikes and toes. Here is a hint. It's the color of bubblegum and cotton candy. Is it red, orange, or pink? Yup, pink! That looks adorable. Let's give the belly a warm color. How about yellow? Just like sunshine. Nice and bright. You're doing an amazing job. Your coloring is so cheerful and full of life. Ready to see it in 3D clay style? Say it with me. Bronto magic time! Oh, look at that sweet Brontosaurus made of clay. The green and pink together look so cute and huggable. You did an incredible job. Your Bronto is the best. What dinosaur should we draw next? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and come back for more. Color Buddies.